In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all files from Google Drive in a step-by-step guide. This process is quite handy when you want to back up your files or transfer them to a different location, and I'm here to walk you through it so you can do it with ease. First things first, make sure you're logged into the Google account that holds all the files you want to download. Without being signed in, you won't be able to access your stored data, so double-check this to save time and effort. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files on the screen. For those of you who have been using Google Drive extensively, this list might be quite long, so take your time locating everything you might want to download. The interface is fairly intuitive, making it easy to navigate around your folders. Next, if you just wish to download all files in their entirety, the most efficient way to do this is by creating a backup. Look to the upper left-hand corner and click on the New button. Then select Folder to create a new folder that will temporarily house copies of your files. This step can be particularly useful if you have your files scattered across various folders and want them organized before downloading them in one go. Give your new folder an easy-to-remember name so you don't forget what it holds. Now, it's time to drag or move all the files you want to download into this newly created folder. You can do this by simply selecting the files and dragging them right in. Alternatively, click on the files you want to move, use the right-click menu to select Move To, and choose your new folder. Once everything you want is collected in one place, you're ready for the next step. Navigate back out to the main Drive overview. Find your new folder listed among your folders, right-click on it, and choose Download. Google Drive will begin to compress your files into a zip file automatically. Depending on the number and size of the files, this process might take a few minutes, so be patient as the zip file is created. Once the zipping process is complete, the download will start automatically. Keep an eye on your downloads, and once it's finished, locate the zip file in your computer's download folder. Finally, you'll want to extract the files from this zip folder to use them readily. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All or Unzip, depending on your system's software. Choose your preferred destination, and your files will be unpacked, available for review or further action. That's it. You've successfully downloaded all your files from Google Drive. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, and now you're prepared the next time you need to download everything from Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our guides for helpful tips and tricks.